We are holding a bicycle clinic. Rather than go to individual schools, be here at the Technologia Mashinani Hub so that we could look at the bicycle problems. We have had a challenge of maintenance. Most of the bicycles have serious problems in terms of vandalism.
Kwa siku ya leo tuko na baiskeli mingi hapa kutoka shule karibu 3, na kitu ambayo tunafanya, tumetembea na spares, tuko na mafundi wetu pia. Tunafanya repair. Gap Kenya wamenunua spare parts, sisi tunawafanyia service.
This initiative because for a year now we had not had time to repair to maintain our bicycles, but at least we have it today. So I want to appreciate that. So we received 30 bicycles last year, so we have had bicycles for the whole year. So last year we have had 2 candidates using these bicycles, and the bicycles impacted them really positively. So we have one student by the name Imasaja Moses who scored B+, and then we have Akisa Angela who was ahead. She was leading this GAP program in school. She scored a B+, and we really appreciate for that because they have a testimony to give.
Most of the schools that we have supported, you'll see that in the top 10, you'll find 60% of the girls in the lead, and they are raring to transit from secondary to university or other higher institutions of higher learning. We will conduct the annual county cycling for climate action. So we invite many actors to join us, and the best students will get rewards, and in a way we'll be sending a strong message about climate action.
To thank the GAP group for the Buffalo bicycles. They are really helping us. First, we can arrive to school early and also go home on time.
These bicycles, Buffalo, have been very good to us because we as students, it has helped to reach early so that we can participate in our morning preps, and it is advantageous to us like students. Population at Musoko Secondary School is very high, about 1,200 students, but the bicycles in school are around 29 only. Most students urge that if they will have this bicycle, they will do very well.